Surgical preparation. Perform the craniotomy at the appropriate stereotaxic coordinates. Secure 3 to 4 supporting screws at least 5 mm from craniotomy center. Imaging cannula installation on the 2-color microscope body. Remove the input protective cap from the imaging cannula. Slip one tine of the snap-off tool into the microscope clamps. Rest the edge of the tine on the cannula. Move the opposite end of the snapping tool inward, using the tine as a lever to detach the clamps. Use the snap-on tool to secure the imaging cannula on the microscope body. Clip the cannula clamps in place. Fluorescence Microscope Holder 2 and Protrusion Adjustment Ring installation. Remove the caps. Insert the holder ferrule into the microscope M3 connector. Screw the holder barrel onto the microscope M3 connector. Remove the protective cap from the cannula. Put drops of slowly drying glue to secure the protrusion adjustment ring to the metal cannula thread. Screw the proper protrusion adjustment ring onto the cannula. Imaging cannula implantation and microscope body removal. Slowly insert the lens into the brain region of interest. Unscrew the protrusion adjustment ring to bring it closer to the skull. Put fast drying glue between the protrusion adjustment ring and the skull. Secure the protrusion adjustment ring to the skull using dental cement. No cement should come into contact with the microscope body. Use the snapping tool to remove the microscope clamps from the cannula groove. Insert the input protective cap. Unscrew the Fluorescence Microscope Holder 2. Put the cap on the microscope M3 connector and the holder ferrule. Use a snap-on tool to secure the protective cap on the microscope body. Gently press the clamps into place using your fingers. The cannula implantation is complete.